there's
The whole album?
yeah, so you can pick. There's sad turkeys. There's
Well, that might be more appropriate.
turkeys. Well, not
These
on
are the
mine.
turkeys that got away.
Well, not on yours either. There's no turkey.
Right, there's no turkey.
They're excited
Don't
about
play
your
the
hand.
sad pigs.
You know who's excited about your hand? These turkeys.
There's one pig walking around without a leg.
So
I
there
love
you go.
Megan's Thanksgiving playlist. Thank you, Megan.
You're welcome. And there was, of course, there's already pre-made Thanksgiving. Oh.
And I got a whole one, which is 14 to 16 pounds. So do the math. That's like 5 days I have to cook that.
It's smoked but not cooked.
Yeah, smoked for flavor,
Okay.
but it's not cooked, so you have to cook it, much like you'd cook a turkey. And the reason I get those is because my preferred way of making a ham is very low temperature, slow cooking, like 225 for literally all day. And it's juicy and tender, it just falls off the bone. It's so good.
I got one more recommendation for your Thanksgiving, for those TVs that aren't playing free, but they're not,
Catalog.
They're just showing you different kinds of Yule log. It's more than the Yule log. It's the whole fireplace. I believe it's illegal now in Petaluma to create a fireplace in a new
Yes,
home.
you can't have a wood burning. You can't even do a pellet stove.
Yeah.
And it's a good thing because, just south of us, Marin County, there are a lot of older homes with wood stoves, and it gets kind of chilly in the winter, and you can see a pall of smoke as you drive through Marin County and smell it, of all the wood fires, and I don't think that's too good for the air or your health. So nowadays we have a gas fireplace, and I like it. It's very cozy. It has fake logs. It kind of looks just like this.
This one is my favorite. So you can have all different kinds of styles.
Oh, it's snowing out too.
It's snowing. And yeah, you probably could buy that West Elm bench or lamp if you wanted to. But there's many to choose from, and it's a free app for your Apple TV.
But at home, you like the Nick Offerman.
I do like the Nick Offerman. I wonder if we have that on this Apple TV. Let's see. Nick Offerman. I think it's on YouTube, actually.
Nick just sits there. It's quite long. Poor guy had to sit there for hours.
That's all the Nick Offerman. And every once in a while he'd take
Kind of
a
spooky,
drink.
really, to have Nick Offerman sitting in your house.
We always put this on for parties. Summer parties, it makes people feel a little weird, but for Thanksgiving, for sure, it's excellent.
How long? Has anybody sat and watched this